Every single day, technology is advancing and bringing innovation that blows our minds. Amidst this technological revolution, these 50 industrial and construction machines have made an incredible impact with their advanced technology. However, before we look at these machines, you are welcome to Titan Tech Trends, and make sure you subscribe to stay updated with our videos. Falcon HTV-2. With the sky's atmosphere as its backdrop, the HTV-2 shears through the rarefied air at over 13,000 miles an hour, an astonishing 20 times the speed of sound. This is no mere aircraft. Its two fleeting tests in 2010 and 2011 both ended in a dramatic demise, arcing uncontrolled back towards the Pacific's vast waters after just 9 minutes, when telemetry was inexplicably lost. Straddle Carrier Crane. With its scissor-like spreader underneath, it can effortlessly pluck any container from the kaleidoscopic stacks. Whether a 20-footer or a bulky 40-foot box, the straddle carrier doesn't discriminate. It simply latches on and lifts with ease, like a masterful juggler spinning plates. No job is too tall in order. It can stack the containers vertically towards the sky or carousel them into perfectly aligned horizontal rows. Crawl K-10,000 Tower Crane. At nearly 40 feet tall, this crane could easily keep watchful eyes over a small town. Its massive outstretched arm spans over 260 feet. With its powerful winches and counterweight muscles, it can effortlessly hoist 120 tons, the weight of 15 fully loaded concrete trucks, almost 270 feet into the air. Nothing is too heavy for this iron titan. Ackerman SL-82P Tunnel Boring Machine. This mighty mole has a 2-speed hydraulic drive that can switch gears based on terrain. Tough rocks and loose dirt are no match for its interchangeable cutter heads that can be swapped out like drill bits mid-tunnel. But what separates this digger is its ability to munch through ultra-hard rock, up to 15,000 psi. Mammoet SP-MT. With over 3,200 axle lines in their fleet, these mechanical marvels form an endless train of multi-directional robotic muscle. But what makes them unique is their incredible versatility. They'll happily work at peak muscle even in bone-chilling -40°C, conditions that would freeze other transporters solid. Antonov An-225 Mriya. Created in the 1980s in the Soviet Union, its main purpose was transporting the Buran space shuttle. With a maximum takeoff weight of over 600 tons, it dwarfed all other cargo planes. After the Soviet Union ended, the An-225 stopped flying for a while. But in the 2000s, it was brought back to life. Sadly, the one-of-a-kind An-225 was destroyed in 2022 during the war in Ukraine. Dynamic Compactor. With each calculated drop, the weight is lifted high and then dropped straight down onto the ground with a massive force. This sends powerful stress waves rippling through the soil below. The waves help squeeze the soil particles close together, compacting them. With each subsequent drop, the compactor's weight grows lighter. This technique works on all kinds of soils, from old fills to sandy materials. Ocean Cleanup System 001. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch is a massive area of plastic debris in the Pacific Ocean. In 2018, Ocean Cleanup System 01 was launched to try and clean up this garbage patch. It was the first system to be tested in the open ocean. During its 4-month trial, System 01 helped validate aspects of the ocean cleanup technology. Queen of the Netherlands, Dredger. Crafted in 1998, this dredging queen wields powerful jaws that can bite into seabed over 160 meters down. This super dredger has helped find clues after a terrible plane crash. She has also dug deep to make a ship channel wider and deeper. Like a vacuum, she can slurp up all kinds of materials, from soft mud to hard rocks. ZPMC Shanghai Xinhua Heavy Industries Co. Limited. As the world's largest manufacturer of cranes and heavy steel structures, ZPMC's reach extends to 120 major ports globally, cementing its status as a titan in the industry. Founded in 1992, ZPMC specializes in designing, manufacturing, and commissioning various port machinery products, including container cranes, rubber-tiered gantry cranes, ship loaders and unloaders, and more. SLJ 932 Bridge Grinder Erection Mega Machine. This machine, weighing 580 tons, stretches an impressive 91 meters in length, 7 meters in width, and 9 meters high. It's equipped with 64 wheels that allow it to move sideways gracefully and precisely. Imagine this machine lifting massive bridge beams effortlessly, transporting them to their designated spots with purpose and determination. The Big Wind Firefighting System. A system that can harness the sheer might of jet propulsion, channeling it to propel torrents of water with unparalleled force. These water cannons, mounted on a mobile platform, can reach dizzying heights, delivering a deluge of life-saving liquid to the tips of the tallest wind turbines. The Pioneering Spirit. With a gross tonnage of 403,342 GT, it is capable of lifting massive oil and gas platforms and installing record-weight pipelines. The Pioneering Spirit has set several records in its operations, including the fastest installation of a large, fully completed topside and the heaviest single-lift installation to date. Kraken XL UUV. The Orca XL UUV is designed to excel in various missions, from covert surveillance and reconnaissance to the high-stakes game of anti-submarine warfare. However, the true power of this underwater behemoth lies in its ability to integrate cutting-edge technologies from innovative companies like Kraken Robotics seamlessly. Huseman 10,000 MT Tub-Mounted Crane. Towering above the waves, the Huseman 10,000 MT Tub-Mounted Crane is a significant engineering feat, representing one of the world's largest tub cranes. Huseman, a renowned company in the field, has established a production facility in China to manufacture these impressive cranes, which can lift massive loads in offshore conditions. The Tesmec 1675 Digging Machine. This powerful trencher is used for various applications, including gas pipeline works in Mexico. Equipped with a 760 horsepower engine, it could dig trenches up to 24 feet deep or 72 inches wide. Goliath Gantry Crane. Known for its robustness, this outdoor crane is designed for heavy-duty lifting tasks with finesse. It excels with its exceptional lifting capabilities and heights, making it ideal for various industries like construction, manufacturing, shipyards, and logistics hubs. The Jumbo Javelin Heavy Lift Ship. As a Dutch-flagged ship classified by Lloyd's Register, the Jumbo Javelin has exceptional lifting capabilities. It has two rotating mast cranes with a combined lift capacity of 1,600 metric tons at a maximum outreach of 28 meters. Volvo Titan 10x10. Produced by Volvo between 1951 and 1973, the Titan was Volvo's largest truck offering during this period, with a payload capacity of up to 10 tons. But in 1954, Volvo offered the Titan a turbocharged version of the D96 engine, the TD96. The Liebherr LB44 Rotary Drilling Rig. With a weight of approximately 381,000 pounds and a torque of 376,000 pounds, the Liebherr LB44 is one of the most powerful drilling rigs available. Utilizing various drilling techniques like Kelly drilling, the LB44 can drill holes up to 9 feet in diameter and 301 feet deep. Wind Turbine Blade Transporter. This transporter is a specialized vehicle or trailer designed to transport wind turbine blades, which can be exceptionally long and heavy. It is crucial for moving wind turbine components from manufacturing facilities to wind farm sites. The Bauer BG-28 Rotary Drilling Rig. Suited for various drilling applications, such as drilling cased borer holes and uncased deep borer holes stabilized by drilling fluid, the BG-28 is a powerful rotary drill, operating with a weight of around 95 tons. Featuring a large drill axis of up to 1,350 millimeters and a long mast that allows for deep drilling depths of up to 77 meters, the BG-28 rotary drilling rig is capable of handling large diameters and depths. Giraffe Crane. Standing tall at over 100 meters, the Giraffe Crane is a machine that defies gravity, stretching towards the sky and reaching for the impossible. Its slender, aerodynamic design belies its incredible strength and versatility, making it an indispensable tool for industries that demand precision, speed, and reliability. The Hydro Hammock. Designed by Benjamin Frederick, this durable synthetic hammock can hold water and be suspended up high, making it perfect for outdoor relaxation. The Hydro Hammock has been featured in various publications, including Country Living in Habitat, highlighting its unique features and potential for use in camping trips or outdoor gatherings. Tunnel Washer. Known as a continuous batch washer, the tunnel washer is designed for heavy laundry loads. Using a perforated metal screw to move items through pockets of progressively cleaner water and chemicals allows continuous input of soiled laundry while clean laundry exits. However, if you're enjoying this video, take time to subscribe and stay updated on our videos. MDT-308N Tunnel Excavator. This excavator is specialized to operate in the challenging environment of tunnels. However, equipped with high-quality cutting tools, the MDT-308N tunnel can effectively excavate through various materials, including rock and concrete. The Giant Bucket Wheel Excavator, Thor. Built to handle the specific mining requirements of each site, the Giant Bucket Wheel Excavator's goal is to move and process enormous amount of rock and earth efficiently. The design and engineering of these massive excavators is a complex process involving mechanical engineers from companies like Tackraft, ThyssenKrupp, Liebherr, Komatsu, and Caterpillar. Sandvik MB671 Bolter Miner. The Sandvik MB671 FLP bolter miner is a versatile and advanced machine designed for efficient long-wall coal mining operations. It features a wide cutting head that can operate at heights ranging from 2,800 to 5,000 millimeters and widths from 5,000 to 6,200 millimeters, powered by a 270 kilowatt cutter motor. Atlas Copco Pit Viper Drill Rigs. Atlas Copco's Pit Viper drill rigs, the silent giants of the mining world, conquer depths with precision and might. From the rugged terrains of Chile to the high-altitude challenges of copper mines, these rigs redefine efficiency and innovation. Wirtgen W220 Milling Machine. The Wirtgen W220 milling machine, a symphony of power and precision, redefines the art of pavement removal and fine milling. From its innovative mill assist system to the cutting-edge Level Pro active technology, this machine stands as a titan in cold milling. The Vermeer T1255 Commander Terrain Leveler. With unparalleled power and precision, this machine carves through solid rock and earth, separating valuable materials from waste with surgical efficiency. Equipped with a cutting-edge SmartTech electronic control system, this titan of industry adapts to the demand of each project, delivering unmatched productivity and versatility. The Giant Magellan Telescope's Mirror Transporter. This 17-ton behemoth's transporter is shielded by shock absorbers and insulation, ensuring its safe passage to the Atacama Desert's mountaintop. As a guardian of astronomical vision, this transporter carries the future of exploration in its grasp, paving the way for the unveiling of the universe's mysteries. Schwing S58 SX Concrete Pump Truck. With a towering boom length of 187 feet and 10 inches, this machine stands as a beacon of cutting-edge design, boasting Super X curved outriggers for stability and a compact footprint that outshines its competitors. The revolutionary vector control systems make it exceptional and grant operators real-time operational insights at their fingertips. The Geiken Silent Piler. This machine, the world's first reaction-based hydraulic piling system, has redefined the art of sheet pile installation. Unlike the thunderous impact of traditional methods, the Silent Piler operates with a near-silent grace, using the reaction force of previously installed piles to press new ones into the ground gently. The Big Blue Crane. The Big Blue Crane was a Lamson LTL 1500 Transi-Lift heavy lift crawler crane that tragically collapsed during the construction of the Miller Park in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, killing 3 workers. Its collapse, caused by operating outside design specifications, led to fines and a lawsuit settlement exceeding $99 million. The Floating Crane, SSCV Sleipnir. Named after Odin's mythical 8-legged horse, this semi-submersible crane vessel is the largest of its kind in the world. What makes Sleipnir so unique is its sheer scale and engineering prowess. Equipped with 2 massive 10,000 metric ton revolving cranes, it can lift up to 20,000 tons in tandem. The Kubota SVL95-2S Compact Track Loader. Powered by a robust 96.4 horsepower Kubota diesel engine, the SVL95-2S delivers a best-in-class bucket breakout force of 7,961 pounds and a rated operating capacity of 3,200 pounds. This immense power is harnessed through innovative technologies like the Electric Travel Torque Management System, which optimizes hydraulic output to prevent stalls even under severe conditions. The Shield Tunneling Machine. At the heart of the shield tunneling machine is its innovative shield design, which encases the tunnel and stabilizes the walls as the machine advances. This shield not only protects workers from potential collapses, but also allows for immediate installation of the tunnel lining, ensuring the structural integrity of the passage. Doka Frami X-Life Formwork System. This revolutionary system is designed to fasten the forming of concrete walls, cores, foundations, and columns, ensuring that your construction project stays on track. With its lightweight and easy-to-handle panels, you can erect the formwork quickly without the need for a crane. Liebherr LR 11000 Lattice Boom Crane. Towering at a staggering height of 118 meters, the LR 11000 is a sight to behold. Its lattice boom, constructed from high-strength steel, is a masterpiece of structural engineering, capable of supporting the immense loads it is lifting. The crane's hydraulic system, with its advanced control technology, allows for smooth and precise movements. Herrenknecht Vertical Shaft Sinking Machine. Imagine a machine that can excavate and construct a vertical shaft in a single step, without the need for dewatering or complex groundwork. The VSM's rotating cutting drum, equipped with chisel tools, effortlessly breaks through the soil, while the telescopic boom allows for precise control and adaptability to the site's conditions. Soilmec SR-125 Drilling Rig. With its innovative CSP mode conversion kit, this rig can adapt to any drilling situation, whether it's for bridges, viaducts, or any other infrastructure project. The SR-125 has been put to the test on some of the most demanding projects around the world, from the Frankfurt drilling job to the construction of bridges and viaducts. Its performance has been nothing short of impressive. Caterpillar 24 Motor Grader. With its powerful Cat C27 engine, this grader's modular components and clustered filters make maintenance faster and easier, saving up to 70% on removal and installation. Its advanced features, such as optimized VHP Plus and the high-performance circle, make it a game-changer in road construction. Volvo Penta-powered Stone Collector. This cutting-edge machine, equipped with the world's most advanced emission technology, sets a new standard for efficiency and environmental responsibility. From heavy-duty cooling systems to durable wiring harnesses and air filters, this machine is built to withstand the rigors of stone crushers and mining equipment. Cinnebogan 880 EQ Material Handler. With its crawler undercarriage, this material handler is designed to tackle even the most demanding ground conditions, making it the perfect solution for scrapyards and other challenging environments. As one of the world's leading metal recycling companies, the Cinnebogan 880 EQ and 855 E hybrid material handlers are the perfect solution for port and scrap handling in Rotterdam. Epiroc Pit Viper 291 Blast Hole Drilling Rig. The Epiroc Pit Viper 291 is more than just a blast hole drilling rig. With its impressive 85,000-pound bit load capacity and the ability to drill holes up to 12¼ inches in diameter, the Pit Viper 291 is a true force to be reckoned with. Its combination of increased pull-down force, rotary torque, and high-volume air-in make it one of the most potent drills in its class. Putzmeister BSA 14,000 Trailer Pump. This pump can deliver over 100 cubic yards per hour without sacrificing output levels. Its robust design and record-breaking capabilities make it the go-to choice for high-rise superstructures in bustling cities like NYC and critical infrastructure projects across the tri-state area. Trimble Earthworks Grade Control Platform. This innovation platform is designed to optimize mixed construction and landscaping fleets, providing a seamless integration with a wide range of machines. Whether you're working with excavators, dozers, or graders, Earthworks offers a semi-automatic machine operation, real-time blade positioning, and wireless data handling, ensuring that your projects are completed with precision and speed. Tunnel Engineering Services Limited. This company is known for its specialization in designing and manufacturing tunneling equipment